this example, we've got 67 and 1/10 plus 99. Since we're adding with a decimal, the most important thing we need to do is make sure we line up our decimal points. But the problem is that we have a whole number here. So where is the decimal point in a whole number? Well, it's always at the end of it, so we could write it in right here. So now that we know where the decimal point is in 99, we can start writing our numbers one on top of the other with our decimal points lined up. Let's start with 67 and 1/10. So I like to start with the decimal point itself, and then write the numbers to the left, and then the numbers to the right. Next, I'll write in the decimal point for our second number, and then I'll write in the numbers for it. 9, 9. If you see any empty spaces, you can just write in a 0 as a placeholder. Now that I've got my decimal points lined up, I can get to work. But just a reminder, the reason why we're lining up our decimal point is because it lines up our place values. Here's what I mean. You may not have noticed it, but what's really happening is that when we line up our decimal point, we're lining up our place values. Take a look. Our 10th place value is all lined up. Our 1's place value is also lined up. And our 10's place is lined up as well. And now that all of our place values are lined up, now we can start adding from the right. 1 plus 0 is 1. I'll bring down my decimal point. 7 plus 9 is 16. But since that's a 2-digit number, I bring down the 6, and I carry the 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, and 7 plus 9 is 16. Since there's nowhere to carry my 1, now I can write both of the numbers down here. I'll write 6 and 1, making our final answer 166 and 1/10, or more commonly read as 166.1.